Welcome to the introduction of Project Package. Once you've downloaded your information from Estimate into Project Package, you now have 18 different spreadsheets at your fingertips for the management of a project. And it starts with scheduling. Scheduling is so important because you don't want to overbook or underbook. You don't want to waste money with unnecessary overtime unless you're going to get paid for it. With visual scheduling, you can see your problems before they happen so you can act on them so it is not a problem. It doesn't hurt your company in the long run. You can see where you need work, you can see when you're overbooked, you can see when you need to add people. Please look at the visual scheduling video to get a better understanding on how this can help your company. Another area which Project Package helps is in the accounting area. And we have several sheets to help the project manager be on the same page with the accounting staff. With invoicing, all the numbers are downloaded into this sheet, and all you do is put in your percentage of completion of the manufactured and materials or the installation or both of that task per month. Change orders are done the same way and they're on the same page. Accounting sheets are located on one page by month. So you have an invoice, an application, G702, G703 per month, and then you have a total accounting page for the project. These are actual sheets that you will be sending to your client. All these can be manipulated for your content. Another sheet we had was called shop hours. This was a good sheet for our foreman since he could see exactly the breakdown of each task and the hours that those tasks took by department. Creating a change order is simple. It's exactly like the estimate sheet. All you do is put the date, you follow through with everything all the way down the change order, and once done, you can easily print the change order. Once finished estimating your change order, they are all ready to be printed on the declaration page, including your facts, ready to go to be printed to send out within minutes after finalizing your change order. We also have a sheet just for the approved change orders. There's another sheet called Change Tally, which lists all the change orders, and you can tell whether they're approved or not approved, and you can find the running total of the contract just by looking. This worked well to keep accounting and project management on the same page. Another sheet was a sheet that everybody in the office used, and it is called the progress schedule. This sheet is a chronological listing of everything that was received or submitted on the project. On Monday when we had our meetings, all the staff used this sheet, and it was nice because everybody knew where the project was, what needed to be done, and who needed to do it, and it was mentioned every time on every job that came up. We also show you how to calculate your overtime and then present it to your clients so you can get paid for the work that you've done. Project Package is filled with helpful ideas and tips on how to grow your business as a woodworker. One of these ideas is the monthly progress report that you send to your client or contractor, informing them of what has happened during the month, what you need from them, your anticipated billings for next month, and your accounting as it stands right now. With the estimate system and including Project Package, we want you to become a better woodworker. We want you to look at your numbers and reassess those numbers, not on every estimate, but quite a few until you finally get what you're building with what you're estimating. That way you can look at your estimated and actual numbers and fine-tune exactly where you're at and where you should be. And then once you have that, then you're right on target. Documentation is an important part of a project, and retrieving that information is also very vital when needed. So we've created two pages, one for transmittals, there's 90s plus transmittals, and the other for faxes. so you have all your records in one location. The last sheet is for you to make your schedule board so you can set it up with the departments in the color-coded stage and also the people's names. Project Package comes with other material in its tutorial, creating a project manual, creating a project booklet to submit it to your client, and also how to formulate paint colors. Project Package, along with Estimate, is a full estimating and project management software for today's woodworker, and it is made by a woodworker for a woodworker. And we want to thank you for looking at Project Package. Remember to look at our other videos, which would be Estimate, that's the main sheet, and then the visual scheduling package.